Hey guys, if you want to update iPhone 7 Plus to iOS 18, here's the full breakdown. But I'm gonna keep it real with you. The iPhone 7 Plus is not supported for iOS 18. Apple officially cut it off way back at iOS 15.7.x. That means you cannot update it to iOS 18 through official Apple methods, settings, general, and software update, right? Like this. But if you're curious about the long form, let me tell you something. Why iPhone 7 Plus can get iOS 18? The iPhone 7 Plus runs on the A10 Fusion chip, which is simply too old for Apple's latest iOS requirements. Apple usually supports iPhones for around 5 to 6 years after release. The 7 Plus came out in 2016. iOS 16 dropped support for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, meaning Apple officially left it behind. So, no official update path exists. What you can do, if you still want newer features, you've got two maybe unofficial option or unofficial routes. But note, these come with big risks. First, the jailbreaking and custom iOS-like themes. Jailbreak your phone if your current iOS version supports a jailbreak tool like right here. Check one, right? Or Palaran one. Okay, same spelling. Install tweaks, themes, and widgets that mimic iOS 18's design. Okay, you won't get Apple's real system level changes, but your phone can look and feel modern. The risk: jailbreaking can mess with stability, void warranties, and expose you to malware. Secondly, the custom firmware, unsupported / experimental. Some developers create Frankenstein, right? IPSWs that look like a newer iOS build. But you can type right here, Frankenstein. IPSWs. Right? Yeah. You can type, yeah. It's semi like Frankenstein's IPSWs that, or excuse me, you go to the IPSW official website, right? Requires advanced tools like 3U tools on Windows or Apple Configurator on Mac. You download the modified firmware and restore it onto your iPhone 7 Plus in DFU mode. The risk: extremely unstable, and you can get easily brick your phone. The smarter alternatives: stay on stay on iOS 15.7.x. Apple still pushes security updates to those devices occasionally. Upgrade to a newer iPhone. Even something like iPhone 11 will get iOS 18 and still feel very modern. Repurpose your iPhone 7 Plus. Turn it into a dedicated music player, backup phone, or even a camera device. So, bottom line, you cannot install iOS 18 on an iPhone 7 Plus through official Apple update. The only options are cosmetic tweaks via jailbreaking or risky custom firmware, but realistically, it's time to consider upgrading if you want iOS 18's real features. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will catch you in the next time.